Hey guys, surprise! Today I'm bringing you a free pattern, my very first free pattern. I wanted to write this for all of my loyal customers and then also as an incentive for my potential customers who have yet to purchase any of my patterns because you don't know my writing style. You don't know how my patterns come together. So this pattern is for you. It is a business card wallet. Super quick, 10 minutes or less, great scrap buster. Start to finish. It's literally like 4 steps. It's the easiest gift that you can make for anybody and very useful. So this guy is packed. You can see it has 20, well, you don't know how many cards, but it has 24 cards in there. It's still got a little bit of room left, and it's also still a slim design, which is nice. My husband carries his as his everyday wallet. Works for that. You can also obviously use business cards in it, and it's great for the holidays because gift cards, hello. So yeah, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, press subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my audience, that way I can bring you more content. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the pattern, and if you have any suggestions and what other patterns you would like to see. Enjoy. Okay, so to get started, you're going to cut out the pattern pieces that I provide in the written pattern. You'll see that I gave 2 options for the inside edge, which is going to be in here. This is what creates the card slot for your business cards, gift cards, or whatever kind of cards you want to carry. So you can choose the angled option or this bevel with a curve option. Anyways, your choice. You pick which one you want, and we're going to cut out on the fold as it says in the pattern, and I have mine here as you can see. So here's mine. So you flip it, cut it on the fold, and then you're going to end up with one long piece. I went ahead and added my tag already because they're sew-in, and I have to do that before I do my construction. So I went ahead and did that. Now the next step that we're going to do is place your panel wrong side up and get a couple clips. And we are going to fold the right side in 2.25 inches. Clip it into place. And do the same on the left, 2.25 inches. And then to finish this off, all that we're gonna do is move to the machine and top stitch around the entire perimeter here, being sure to back stitch well at the beginning and the end. All right, there we go. See how quick that came together? This beautiful forest green cork is from Fabric Funhouse. They are my #1 providers. Always great prices, super quick shipping, and if you have a business ID number, then you can sign up for their wholesale. Highly suggested. Also got my tags from All This Wood on Etsy. Real cork tags, and I do sew-in. Super great deals. Also very, very quick shipping. I just ordered another bundle from them, and I think it was 5 days from order to my doorstep. But anyways, here we go. So super quick, really easy. Other options that you can do on this, if you want to top stitch around the curves before you do the fold and do the perimeter top stitch, you can do that. It doesn't do anything for the wallet structurally, but it looks nice to have the seam there. What I do after I'm all done sewing is I light my edges, my raw edges, and then I go in with Aleene's Fabric Fusion Glue and just tap it on all of the raw edges and wipe it in with my finger, and then I let it dry. You do want to make sure that you wipe it off of the cork because when it dries, it's shiny. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this really quick video and this free pattern. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me grow my audience. And drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Thanks. Oh, join my Facebook group as well. SewGnar Sewing Patterns on Facebook. And that's where you will be the first to know to hear about any of my upcoming patterns, or if I need pattern testers or any fun news. So, yep, SewGnar Sewing Patterns on Facebook.